everyone, welcome back to Pabbly Connect. In this video, we are going to learn how to add Facebook leads to Google Sheets for Makeup Studio. Let's suppose I have a makeup studio and to promote my business, I'm also running an ad campaign on my Facebook page. And now I want that as soon as a new lead will be generated through Facebook lead ads, automatically the details of that lead should be added in my Google Sheets so that I will be able to create a record. So how we are going to automate this entire process? For this, we will have to set up a connection between Facebook lead ads and Google Sheets, and that we are going to do without any coding or programming skills with the help of Pabbly Connect. Here we have Facebook lead ads in our trigger and Google Sheets in our action. So we are going to connect both of them by using Pabbly Connect in order to automate this entire process. And to learn this entire automation step by step, let me take you all to my screen. In this video, we are going to learn that how can we automatically add the details of our Facebook leads into Google Sheets. So let's suppose I'm having a makeup studio for which I'm also running an ad campaign on my Facebook page. And to promote my business, I have also created a lead gen form by using Facebook lead ads. And now I want that as soon as a new lead will be generated for my makeup studio with the help of that lead gen form, automatically all the details of that lead should be automatically added in my Google Sheets so that I will be able to create a record of all my leads. Okay, so we are going to create an automation for this process without any coding or programming skills by setting up a simple connection between Facebook lead ads and Google Sheets, and that we are going to do with the help of Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation software which allows us to automate all our tasks by connecting multiple applications without any coding or programming skills. So this is the home page of Pabbly Connect where we can reach directly by typing this URL pabbly.com/connect. After coming here, we can find two options: sign in and sign up for free. So if you are an existing user, you can directly click on sign in, but if you are a new user, you have to click on sign up for free button to create your free new account. Also, when you will create your account, you will get 100 free tasks every month to explore this amazing software and to test multiple automations. Now, as an existing user, I'm directly clicking on sign in. This is the all app section where we can find all the products which are offered by Pabbly. To create this automation, we are going to use Pabbly Connect. So let's click on access now. And it has taken us towards the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Now after coming here, we can find all our workflows which we have created, and we can also create folders here on the dashboard to save our workflows. To create a new workflow, we have to click on this create workflow option which is given on right corner with blue color. So let's do that. And here a dialog box will appear in front of us. It is asking us to provide a name to this workflow. So first of all, let us provide a name over here. Add Facebook leads to Google Sheets for Makeup Studio. Okay, after giving the name, we can also select the folder in which we want to save the workflow. So from the drop down, I'm going to select this test integrations folder. And now let's click on create. As we do that, we can find that two windows are open in front of us. First is the trigger and the other is action. What are trigger and actions? Trigger and actions are the two concepts or the principles on which the entire automation runs. Here the trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. That means the action is a response towards our trigger. So whatever we are going to select in our trigger is going to command the entire workflow, and the actions are going to follow that same command. Therefore, we can have only one trigger in any workflow, but we can have multiple actions as we want. So now let's suppose we are going to take Facebook lead ads in our trigger and Google Sheets in our action. And we want that as soon as a new lead will be generated for our makeup studio from Facebook lead ads, automatically the details of that lead should be added in our Google Sheets. Here we can find that our action is a response towards our trigger, because when the trigger happens, that means when the lead is generated, then only the details are added in Google Sheets, otherwise not. Okay, so now step by step, let's start creating this workflow. First of all, we will select the trigger application, and that is Facebook lead ads. So let's select that. Now we need to select the trigger event. Trigger event is the event on the happening of which the workflow is going to start. So new lead instant will be our trigger event over here, as we want that whenever a new lead will be generated, instantly the response of that lead should be captured here in Pabbly Connect, and with that response, the workflow should get trigger or start. Okay, let's click on connect. And now from the given options, we need to click on this add new connection to build a new connection with Facebook lead ads account. If you already have an existing connection, you can also go with the existing connection option. Now let's click on this connect with Facebook lead ads. And here our authorization has become successful. So because I was already logged into my Facebook account, the authorization has become successful very easily, and now Facebook lead ads is successfully connected with Pabbly Connect. After building the connection, let's move further. Here we need to select the Facebook page and the lead gen form. For this, I'm going to take you towards my Facebook account once again, and this is the page named as Divine Glamour, which I'm running on my Facebook account for my makeup studio. And I've also created a lead gen form by using Facebook lead ads to promote my business. So I want that whenever a new lead will be created with the help of this form which I have created, automatically the response of that lead should be captured here in Pabbly Connect. For that, first of all, we need to select the page over here. So my page is Divine Glamour. So let me select that. And now we need to select the lead gen form. So here I have created a new form named as contact form. I want to capture the response of my Facebook leads through this form. Okay, so I have selected this. Now let's click on save and send test request button. And here it is showing waiting for webhook response. This means that now we have to do a test submission so that the response could be captured here. And how we are going to do that? By submitting this form which we have selected. For that I'm going to take you towards Meta for Developers, and here we need to go towards more option. After coming here we can find the option of tools. Let's select it and it will take us towards developer tools. Now here under other developer tools we can find the option of lead ads RTO debug tool. So let's select it. And it has taken us towards lead ads testing tool. So with the help of this lead ads testing tool, we are going to test our integration. We are going to select the page and the form, and when we will submit the form, automatically the response of that lead will be captured in Pabbly Connect. Basically, we are doing a test submission over here. So because currently I'm not running any live campaign on my Facebook page for Makeup Studio, therefore I could not send the response of a real lead towards Pabbly Connect. But in your case, when you will be running a live campaign for your business, after setting up this connection, every time a new lead will be generated through lead gen form, the response of that real lead will be automatically captured in Pabbly Connect. Okay, so first of all, let us test our integration. Let us select the page over here. So the name of my page is Divine Glamour. I have selected it, and the form associated with the page, that is contact form, is already selected. Now we are going to click on this preview form to open this form, but it is given that you can create one lead per form. You will need to delete an existing lead in order to create a new one. So here we are going to click on this delete lead button to delete the existing lead with this form. And as the existing lead is deleted, now we will refresh the page once. And once again, we will select the page and the form. So this is important step. Once you will delete the existing lead, you also have to refresh this page so that a new form could be opened in front of you. Now let's click on this preview form. And the form is open in front of us. So this is a contact form. Basically, with the help of this, I'm going to connect with my leads further. So as soon as a person is going to enter the details in this form and submit it, automatically all the details of that person will be captured in Pabbly Connect. Okay. Then further, I'm going to add them in my Google Sheets to create a record. Now here I'm going to do a test submission, and because I'm doing a test submission, therefore I'm going to enter dummy details. Let's start with the email. Let's say the email of a lead will be dummylead@pabblitudes.com. Here will be the full name. Let's say dummy lead, and at last I'm going to enter a phone number. That will be a random phone number. Okay, done. Now let's click on next and we will submit the form. So as soon as we have done that, let's go back towards Pabbly Connect, and here we will wait for a few seconds. And we can find that we have received the response. In the response, we have received all the details, email, full name, as well as the phone number of the lead. This means that our connection between Facebook lead ads and Pabbly Connect is successful. Now, whenever a new lead will be generated for our Makeup Studio through lead gen form, automatically the response of that lead will be captured here in Pabbly Connect. And now we are going to add the same response into our Google Sheets. So let's select our action application as Google Sheets. And now we will select the action event, that will be add new row, as I want to add the response of Facebook lead ads in my Google Sheets in the form of a new row. Let's click on connect, and now from the given options I'm going to select this add new connection, and you will click on sign in with Google. Let us select the account. And now Pabbly Connect is asking us for the permission to access our Google account. It is 100% safe, so let's click on allow. And here our authorization has become successful. So because I was already logged into my Google Sheets, the authorization has become successful very easily. And now it is connected with Pabbly Connect. So we will move further and we will enter the details it is asking. So first of all, it is asking the spreadsheet name. So I have created this spreadsheet named as Makeup Studio Leads for capturing the details of my leads for Makeup Studio. Okay, it contains 3 fields: name, email, and phone number. So as soon as a lead will submit the form, automatically the details of that lead will be captured in a new row in this particular spreadsheet. Okay, we will go back, and here I'm going to select the name of my spreadsheet, that is Makeup Studio Leads. After selecting this, we will move further, and because I've only created sheet 1 in the spreadsheet, the sheet 1 is already selected. Now we need to enter the details of the lead: name, email, and phone number. Okay, we have received all the details from our earlier response already. We will simply map the data one by one. Now mapping is inserting data from previous step. Here our previous step is given, and here are all the details. We want to map the name. Let's select it, and it is mapped. In the same manner, we will map the email also. And at last, we will also map the phone number. So why we have mapped this data instead of entering it manually? Because we want to make it dynamic. Now when we have mapped this data, automatically with each and every new response from Facebook lead ads, these details are going to be replaced. That means when a new lead will be generated from Facebook lead ads, automatically these details, name, email, and phone number, are going to be replaced. But in case if we will enter it manually, then it will become static, and then it is not going to change with each and every response. Therefore, we will not be able to automate this process then. Okay. Now let's click on save and send test request button after mapping all the details successfully. and here we have received the response. Because we have received this response, that means our workflow is successful. Now let's go and check on our Google Sheets whether the data is added there or not. And yes, here we can find that the data is successfully added. The name is given over here under the name column. The email is here and this is the phone number. This means that the workflow is perfectly successful. Let's go back towards Pabbly Connect and we will summarize what we have done here in the workflow. So we have taken two simple steps, trigger and action. In trigger, we have taken Facebook lead ads, and in action, we have taken Google Sheets. And we have connected both of them by using Pabbly Connect in such a way that now whenever a new lead will be generated for our makeup studio from Facebook lead ads, automatically the details of that lead will be captured and will be added in our Google Sheets. In the same manner, by following the same steps, you can very easily create this automation, and this will enable you to automatically create record of all the details of your leads without any manual efforts. This was it in this video. I hope this was helpful for you. Thank you for watching.
Not only these applications, but you can integrate many other applications by using Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubt, you can directly reach out to us at support@pabbly.com. If you want to ask any query, you can reach out to us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you want to ask any pricing related issue, then you can directly reach out to the website given over here. Now, if you find this video helpful in any way, do not forget to share it with your friends. And also, please like our videos and subscribe our channel to learn more such automations.